thank you for the days, those endless days, those sacred days you gave.
Hi everybody, I'm recipe writing this afternoon and I'm working on a really deep sort of celebration chocolate cake that I'll decorate for Easter. And just so that you know, when I write a recipe I always test it at least twice before I put it out there. Anyway, Anna on Twitter has messaged me to say, how do you get a really smooth finish to your top of your cake with buttercream? So let me show you how I do it. Here are my chocolate cakes. I'm just straightening them off before I start, and then I'm sandwiching them together with chocolate buttercream and then putting a layer on the top and then a piece of greaseproof. Can you see? I'm rubbing out all the air bubbles. Then I take a baking sheet and flip the whole lot upside down. So what you're seeing here is the bottom of the cake. Then I dress the sides, straighten it with a bench scraper, put the board back and chill for at least 3 hours. Take it out of the fridge, flip it over, remove the paper. There you go.
Night is dark, it just brings sorrow.